In this video, I will show you how you can fix the SD card error on any Oppo phone. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just perform a restart on your Oppo phone. To do that, just press and hold the power button on your Oppo phone until you see the power menu on the screen. But if the power button on your Oppo phone is mapped to launch the digital assistant instead of the power menu, then in that case, just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now after you do that, you will see the power menu on the screen. From here, just swipe up and select Restart. Now just wait until your device finishes restarting. Once your Oppo phone finishes restarting, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. Now if this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next method. For that, just use any SIM card ejection tool and insert the SIM card ejection tool in the SIM card tray hole at the side of your Oppo phone. Now from here, just extract the SIM card tray, and from the SIM card tray, just remove the SD card. Now from here, just check if there is any damage to the SD card or not, and also use a soft cloth and clean these golden pins on the SD card. Also try to use your SD card on any other device because the issue can be in your SD card. Now if the issue is not in your SD card, then just insert the SD card back into the SIM card tray, and after you do that, then just insert the SIM card tray in your Oppo phone. After you do that, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go to Settings, and under Settings, just search this. Then just tap on Reset Phone, and from this page, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN, and tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your Oppo phone. You will just reset all the settings of your smartphone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And this is how you can fix the SD card error on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.